The Golden Visa, offering access to Europe for investors and their families, has cropped up in a number of EU states over the last few years. Portugal's scheme stands out in particular. Here to explain why, Tiago Camara and David Machado from PTGoldenVisa. Tiago, talk to me about the different ways that investors can participate in this scheme.
It's very simple for investors to participate and to apply to this program. They just have to come to Portugal, invest 280,000 euros in real estate in Portugal, and they're ready to apply.
What kind of investors are exploring this?
Our investors normally are regular individuals that are in a comfortable financial situation, looking for the comfort of their future generations, but not looking to relocate at the moment. They're just looking for a path to freedom, an opportunity for them to relocate if they need, and our program allows them to have this access. In our program, we have the capacity of giving them the opportunity of living, working, studying in any country from Schengen area. After 6 years, they are ready to apply for citizenship and get a Portuguese passport.
There are other golden visas available, so how competitive is Portugal's?
The Portuguese authorities managed to launch a very simple and attractive program. Comparing to others, I do think and I defend that it's the best one in the market. First of all, it doesn't require investors to live in Portugal. They just have to be there for 7 days, spend some vacations in a beautiful country like ours, and the requirement is done. Second is the real estate market. The real estate market is booming, providing investors high levels of return on their investments, so it's another good reason for them to invest in our country. The third reason, and for me one of the most important, our program has no grey areas. If you invest, you get. So there's no discrimination on nationalities, no discrimination on religions, there's no evaluation of investors' profiles through interviews. If you invest, you get the residence permit. Last but not least, Portugal is a very safe country, political and economically very stable. You can speak English through all the country, and it's a country that has been awarded for the last years as the best tourist destination in all Europe.
So David, tell me more about Portugal's real estate market.
The market now is booming for mainly 4 reasons. Okay, one of the reasons is there's a lot of foreign investors coming for the Golden Visa program. The second reason is because we have an unusual residence program with tax benefits, which is making the Europeans to relocate to Portugal. The third reason is mostly because Portuguese are moving the money out of the banks to invest in properties to rent out and get high yields. And the fourth reason basically is because the developers are still a post-trauma after the experience since 2008, when the market was not so easy and still not developing. So these 4 reasons combined make that there is a very high demand for the real estate market and very little supply. So we're seeing the prices going up very, very fast.
So give me some examples of the real estate opportunities available and the returns that investors are receiving.
These days, the picture is very clear. There's very few times in business where you can see the future in such a clear way. If you are an individual real estate investor, we recommend to buy residential properties. The reason is why you can put these properties on the short-term market and get very high yields. If you are an international real estate fund, you want to go for bigger projects, you can develop, you can refurbish, or you can even do property trading. Since the market is so fast these days, if you trade 3 times a year, you generate returns over 30%.
So if viewers want to know more, they have questions, what do they do?
So it's very easy. You can go to PTGoldenVisa.com. You either email us or call us. We will guide you through all the process. We will prepare the real estate tour with the best real estate investment opportunities, and at the same time, you will be guaranteed to get your Golden Visa.
Thanks for watching. For more on Portugal's Golden Visa programme, please go to worldfinance.com, and please subscribe for more real estate investment stories as well as all the latest insights from World Finance.